Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook penne pasta. First, grab a large pot, preferably one that holds at least 8 quarts. This size helps prevent sticking. Next, measure out 4 quarts of cold water and pour it into your pot. This generous amount allows the pasta to cook freely and evenly. Make sure your penne pasta is easily accessible and ready to go when the water comes to a rolling boil. Bring your 4 quarts of water to a strong, rolling boil over high heat. You should see big, active bubbles forming continuously on the surface. Now is the perfect time to add your salt. 2 tablespoons of kosher salt will season the pasta from the inside out. Carefully add 1 pound of penne pasta into the vigorously boiling water, making sure to avoid splashes. Give it a gentle stir to prevent initial sticking. Remember to stir the penne occasionally during the first few minutes of cooking. This stops it from clumping together. Now, cook the pasta for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or according to the package directions, as cooking times can vary slightly. About 1 minute before the suggested time, taste a piece. You want it to be al dente, meaning it's firm to the bite but not mushy. Before you drain, scoop out about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. It is a secret ingredient for making sauces silky smooth. Now, carefully drain the cooked penne pasta using a colander placed in your sink. It is important not to rinse the pasta under cold water. Rinsing washes away the starches that help your sauce cling beautifully to each piece of penne, ensuring maximum flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.